guys, so it's just 12 p.m. or something. Or I mean 12 p.m.
Sino ba mami hindi kumain?
My tita.
Yeah, kumain ako.
Tita just gave me a slide.
Pagpag.
Ito, ano mo?
So the dinner is still in the mouse slide, but the shark tip. It says do not eat, so it's that in it.
Hindi mo matutuyo.
Tutuyo yan.
Yarang mo yung number 3. Yarang mo.
It's so beautiful light. I don't know why. How's it beautiful? In real life, it looks amazing, but in video, it doesn't look amazing. So this is not really real slime. I just bought this. I mean, this is a Christmas gift for me. So crystally. Oh, I think I can. Oh, I can. Oh, that's so good. Yeah, I just have to take the other half. So it looks like a pineapple. See? Oh, it just tears apart like look. See? Another. This smells. Like smells. Hiccup. Hiccup. Wow. Looks so amazing.
Christian, uy, maligo ka muna lugtog. Hinta mo na.
Oh, ganda.
Beads yun, beads.
Nag-video ako eh. Hindi ko tinatouch to. And if you leave it for like 2 days, the bubble goes away. But if you try that, then tell me if it just, you know, got away.
Lagyan mo sa rep.
Blech.
Kasi, tapos, buksan mo kasi nag-ano siya.
I'm gonna puke. Ew.
Oo, anak, tulog. Tulog siya.
Like, it's like the regular. Get this. Why is it so long? I just noticed that. It was so long. I don't know if I'm videoing it. I need more space. I'll just put this here. Here. So this is my notebook. I put it my saying on my notebook. So good.
Jessica,
Yeah.
tayo na ilaw.
Nag-video ako.
Ha?
Nag-video ako.
Papasok ako eh. Doon sa taas pag-video.
Wala akong table.
Ha?
Wala akong table. E naka-live na.
Alam na?
Wala akong table.
Eh. Maliwanag naman doon sa panilan.
Nag-video ako.
Ay, sorry naman. Oh. Bukas ka na lang mag-digit pa sa taas. Tapos na.
Hindi ko pa nga na-show yung other half.
Ito kahit di ko nasarado.
Let's go to...
Mahirap kasi buksan.
Let's go upstairs. Now I'm just gonna go upstairs. Wow. It's just gonna be...
Iyak mo muna ito. Pause pala, pause. Pause.
So guys, this is just my room. I'm sorry if it's just ugly and the lighting is bad. Just because I was happy to be here. And look at this. Wow. I'm just gonna take all of this off. Now this is real slime. Right? Check real slime. The realest slime ever. Now, I'm just gonna open it. No, there's some slime there. Now, if you want to see the other half, let's go to my other video. Just hit the subscribe button, and you'll get my videos every day.